lot of sacrifices for this shit, man, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this video, I just want to thank everybody who's been subscribing and dropping comments and answering questions. That's what I just wanted to kick the week off with. First, I just want to give you guys a big shout out, a big thank you. That's the main thing. I mean, without you guys, I wouldn't know what to do. You know, y'all keeping me motivated, keeping me grinding. We're about to hit that 1,000 mark, and then, you know, we're gonna hit that 1,000. And once we hit the 1,000, you know, we're gonna do the car giveaway, and we're gonna keep going and keep grinding and learning from there. But, you know, I want to appreciate all the love and support. That's basically just kind of what this video will be first about, just basically kicking off the week, just thanking you guys for, you know, subscribing and showing all the love and support. And so, you know, without you, you know, this channel wouldn't be what it is. So, you know, that's the first thing. Just thank you and just let you guys know what's going on this week. So let's get to it. Yeah, so we stopping here in Oda. I think that's how you pronounce it. Supplies. They supply all the supplies for the dealers. I don't know if they supply them for dealers that's not from here in Oklahoma, but I know they supply all the stuff for dealers, all the supplies here for the dealers in Oklahoma. And the address is 813 Northwest 34th Street, Moore, Oklahoma 73160. Phone number is 405-232-2947. This is the place you can go if you need your paper tags, if you need folders, any of that stuff. This is the place you're gonna stop into. I don't know if they'll let me do any recording in the inside, but yeah, I'm here about to pick up my stack of tags and show you how much they cost and show you how much the folders cost at a place like this, and just give you an overall price list and stuff like that. I'll see if they let me record in here, but if not, then, you know, we're on to the next. Yep, so, you know, we got in and got out. I mean, the best thing to do is to call them ahead of time, and it usually takes them about 30 minutes to an hour to get the tags ready. But yeah, I order my tag 60 at a time. But, you know, here we go. It comes with the temp tag log for you guys. Also comes with the Sharpie and tag tape, so, you know, so you can tape a car and a windshield if you need to be. I got my folders, so for a stack of 60 tags and folders, folders was $27. The stack of 60 tags was $84. So 30 is 42. You know, double that is 84. So, you know, y'all can see that right there. I'm trying to show it to you guys. Pop up in. Yeah, $120.44 is what I had to pay, but, you know, that's the price that you need to get the business done. But yeah, I tried to get you guys some footage in there. I mean, the lady that was working the front desk was fine, wouldn't mind it, but, you know, the lady in the back seemed kind of rude. You know, because people, it's not saying that I couldn't record in there. It's basically like, you know how when people say something in like the tone of their voice, you can tell, like, you know they're being rude, you know, by the tone of their voice. So, you know, it might be the last time I buy any folders from them. I might just go back to buying my folders from Amazon. You know, I mean, I have to buy the tags here, but, you know, that might be the only thing. I just go in. Because, I mean, like, the lady up front was being nice, and then you're overhearing us in the back, and then she says it from the back. Nobody wants to be on your YouTube. I was like, you know, you could have just said no, but it's just the way people say things. Like, you know, if you were up front and we were talking to you, like, kind of joking about it, then, you know, I could see. But she was back there on the computer shopping and stuff like that. So, you know, so it might probably be the last time I buy any folder from them because, you know, like, I don't like, just say no, it's okay. We don't want just the way you have people say things. But yeah, we're getting close to the 226 mark. I'm 226 subscribers away from hitting 1,000. So, you know, can't wait to that point to give away. But yeah, but this week I want to go in depth more about, you know, what it's like being a car dealer. I'm gonna go around, still do the walk-arounds and the walk-arounds at the auction, and I'm gonna link up with a couple of my other dealer partners and just let you guys know about how their journey and what it took for them to get in into the business and let you guys know more this week about my journey and how did I end up selling cars and where I came from. So let you guys know that journey as well. But you know, link up with a couple of dealers and also link up with people that just work at regular car lots, like my buddies. One's a GM at the Cadillac store here in Norman, and the other one's the manager at the Toyota store, and one's a manager at the Dodge store. So I'll let you guys know. The one that's at the Dodge store is my buddy Taylor. We're the same age, so you know, it doesn't matter your age. You can work in this business and you can make a lot of money. You can become general manager, GSMs and all that. Just, you know, just depend about the work you put in. But yeah, let's get back to the lot and I'll show you the, you know, the box truck that, you know, we got another box truck. So 3 box trucks all together, you know, just working on doing things and being able to make money outside of just the car business, because that's my thing. I like to make money outside the car business. So, you know, got my box trucks, still reading up on stocks and bonds, just, you know, but just giving you guys an overview of what to expect this week. You know, a lot more information and a lot more advice coming to you guys this week, so just tune in, you know, like this video. But yeah, let's get to the lot and I'll show you my new box truck. Try to put the car cover on my Camaro. If not, it's pretty hot today, I might not even deal with it, but show you guys a little bit of that, and then that's probably how we're gonna end this video. Let's get to it. Here at the lot, y'all see, that's the Cadillac from the other video. You know, got the hood up, getting that one worked on too, man, getting it looked at, you know, looking it all over. But yeah, we back here at the lot, man. I need to get my old schools taken to the shop, and my box truck, you know, that's one. Then, you know, the other one, you know, just end up getting, I need to get my old schools to the shop, but they're not letting my cars in the shop right now, because, you know, everybody at the moment is hot. So, you know, everybody's getting that AC going right now. So, you know, my old schools, they, you know, you're trying to get all the people that's needing the AC right now out the way. But, you know, I understand that. But yeah, we got another one. So we got 3 all together. So, you know, like I said, we want to be smart and being able to make money outside of just selling cars, you know, because like you never know how to, you never know how the market goes. You know, it's so up and down. But, you know, if you can find ways to make money outside of this business, it's always to be great. So that was my thing when I got into the business. I was like, I know this is a great foundation business. This business, you can make money quickly, and you can always use this money that you make here to invest it somewhere else. So, you know, I'm reading up on some real estate books. I'm also reading up on stocks and bonds, and, you know, trying to do trading. I'm trying to do a lot of stuff while still trying to give you guys a lot of info on these channels and videos. So, you know, the more information that I learn from anything, so even if I learn anything from real estate or anything from stocks and trading, any information that I can pass on to you guys, I will be passing it to you guys. But yeah, and I also looking to start a Patreon, you know, because I know it's still a little while to get monetized. So I'm not making any money from YouTube, but that's not my priority at the moment. It's just to kind of grow and, you know, get this information out there. But, you know, I do kind of want to make a little bit of money. That's just anybody on anything you do. So I'll probably start a Patreon, but I don't know how Patreon works. So I'll be looking on doing that. And basically what my Patreon will be about is basically, you know, if you subscribe to the Patreon, you'll basically just get, you know, behind the scenes of everything, you know, of everything, basically, you know, you'll get more in depth and stuff like that. And it'll be something that I'll create, you know, so you guys can get on there and you guys can message me directly, and we can engage and stuff like that in FaceTime. So, you know, I don't know, I'm gonna look into it, and when I do get it, I will let you guys know. But that's the end of this video. You know, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Like I said at the beginning, I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. I'm out. See you guys in the next video, and let's keep growing and keep learning together. Peace.